Hello guys, today I'm gonna make a Böker knife review, which is Böker 1906 model. It comes with a box, of course, and a very nice zip bag. I think it's a standard bag, but really elegant. Here is our knife. 1906, and it comes with two manuals, actually, care manuals in English and in Dutch. And I have something before I start to share with you. I think you're gonna like it. I like it very much. All the knife enthusiasts will like it. Care instructions. It says a knife is a cutting tool, not a screwdriver, lever tool, chisel, hammer, or a crowbar. So a knife is a knife, basically. Respect it as a knife and use it as a knife. I like that phrase on the care instructions, so I wanted to share before I start. Like I said, it comes with a zip bag, really elegant. And our main purpose of the video. So this is our pocket knife. It's a backlock, as you can see. It has ebony, very dark brown. It says brown on the side, but my eye is just seeing it as a black. So it's a black handled knife, ebony wood. It has copper liners here and nickel parts. Opening is manual, a nail nick here. Oh, I was nearly cutting myself. And here it goes. It's a lock back, sorry. It looks like a grandpa knife, but it's a lock back. And it's hollow grind. The blade length is 8.9 centimeters and overall length of 19.5, around, so 19.5 centimeters, 20 centimeters overall length, and it's functioning like a Böker, like a Solingen knife, perfectly. On the side it says 144.95 euros, but I got it from Amazon.de for 131, if I'm not mistaken, 131 euros. So it's 10 euros cheaper in Amazon.de. And the steel is 440C, as a German good pocket knife steel. It's the best you can get, actually, as a stainless, in case of edge retention and environmental resistance, I can say. And here it goes. Böker 1906 backlock pocket knife. Thank you for watching.